Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Roy Solikam and I am from 10th grade RPL. Today, I would like to make a presentation about software engineers and HTML. First, software engineers are one of the most important profession in digital era, playing a key role in creating, developing, maintaining software systems so they can be used by individuals as well as companies. Roles in software engineers. There are many types of software engineers based on their areas of focus. First, front-end engineer builds the application interface that user directly interact with, and back-end engineer handles business logic, servers, database, and APIs. And next is full stack engineer, proficient in the both front-end and back-end development, and DevOps engineers focus on infrastructure deployment and automation. And next is QA or test engineers ensure software quality through testing. And next is mobile engineer develop applications for Android or iOS platforms. Next, go to the HTML, or you can call it, or simply hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language, or HTML, is standard language used to create, structure, and display content on web pages so they can be accessed and used by many people and companies. And next is example text HTML. First, we have h1 or header one. Every tag in HTML have a open tag and close tag. And the content. H1 or header one is meant to be the text will be big and bold. And next is P or paragraph. This is the opening tagnya, and content and close tag. It used be to make a paragraph or text. Second is A or anchor. This is the attribute, you can call it, and this is the link. So when we click this anchor or click this text, will be directly to the link. And next is image, for display your image, but in image there are no close tag, just open tag. And the open tag is have two attribute, actually not two attribute, have many, but in this presentation just display two. First is src or source, so you can display your image in here, and this alt or alternative, so if the source or the image is error, it will be displayed the text in alternative or alt. Okay, next is I will explain about element semantic. HTML5 introduce semantic element to make a page structure clear. First, have a header, the top section of page. Have a logo and navigation. Maybe you can see the this is non-semantic HTML, and this is semantic HTML. First, if non-semantic HTML, they just use div, span, and div. Yeah, just use div. And for semantic HTML, is most efficiently have a header, nav, site, main, article, figure, p, and other. But I will explain one by one. First is header, the top section of the page actually, and the second is nav, the navigation menu area, this, And next is section, the main content of section. And next is again article, an independent piece of content or article. Yeah, that makes a section and article is different. And next is e-site, sidebar or additional information. And next is footer, the bottom section of page, having a copyright and contact info. This is the example structure HTML, having the HTML and have the attribute length or language, English, having head and body, every HTML structure. And the tag is having the close up to and open to. First, head is useful for back website, yeah, back end website, like title or meta. And for body is like for the display of the website, like H1 Halo Dunia, and it will make the website will be display Halo Dunia with bigger text. And maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.